Major concepts in microbiology. Microorganisms. Organisms too small to be seen clearly by the unaided eye. They are generally 1 millimeter or less in diameter. Small size is an important characteristic of microbes. It is not sufficient to define them. Macroscopic microbes. These macroscopic microbes often consist of small aggregations of cells. They are distinguished from other multicellular life forms such as plants and animals by their lack of highly differentiated tissues. Acellular biological entities. These include viruses and subviral agents. The terms microorganism and microbe are sometimes applied to these acellular agents as well. An important breakthrough in microbial taxonomy arose from studies of their cellular architecture. When it was discovered that cells exhibited one of two possible floor plans. Prokaryotic cells. They have an open floor plan. That is, their contents are not divided into compartments, rooms, by membranes. Eukaryotic cells. EU is a Greek word which means true. They have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles that separate some cellular materials and processes from others. Cellular organisms are divided into three main domains. Bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled organisms. Most of them have cell wall of peptidoglycan. Bacteria are major inhabitants of our body, making the human microbiome. Some bacteria cause diseases. Some of these diseases have had a huge impact on human history. Contribute in immune system development. Archaea. They have distinctive rRNA sequences. Lack of peptidoglycan in their cell walls, and unique membrane lipids. Some generate methane, natural gas. This is an unusual metabolic characteristics. Eukarya. Eukarya includes plants, animals, and protists or fungi. Protists. Protists are unicellular but larger than most bacteria and archaea. The major types of protists are algae, protozoa, slime molds, and water molds. Algae are photosynthetic and are the foundation of aquatic food chains. Algae are photosynthetic and foundation of aquatic food chains. Protozoa are motile and hunters and grazers of the microbial world. Some aid in digestion of cellulose. Slime molds. Slime molds behave like protozoa and fungi. Water molds. Water molds feed on decaying plant material. Fungi. Fungi are a diverse group of microorganisms that range from unicellular forms such as yeasts to multicellular forms such as molds and mushrooms. Fungi that form thin, thread-like structures called hyphae. They absorb all their nutrients from their environment. Viruses. Viruses are acellular entities that must invade a host cell to multiply. They are composed only of proteins and a nucleic acid. Viroids. Viroids are infectious agents composed only of ribonucleic acid, RNA. Satellites are composed of a nucleic acid enclosed in a protein shell. They must co-infect a host cell with virus called a helper virus to complete their life cycle. Satellites and their helper viruses cause both plant and animal diseases. Prion. Prion are infectious agents composed only of protein, are responsible for causing a variety of spongiform encephalitis.